To open a Cash App account in Nigeria, start by downloading the Cash App mobile application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to create an account by entering your email address or phone number. Choose one and proceed to the next step. You will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Depending on the option you chose, enter the code to verify your account. After verification, you will be required to provide some personal details, including your full name and date of birth. You will also need to create a username, also known as a $hashtag, which will be your unique identifier on the platform. To link your bank account or card, navigate to the Banking tab and follow the prompts to add your account or card details. Ensure you have a valid means of identification and a bank account in Nigeria to complete the setup process. Once your account is set up, you can start using Cash App to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and access other financial services. Note that Cash App is not directly available in Nigeria, so you may need to use a VPN or other workaround to access the service. However, it is essential to be aware of the risks and ensure you comply with local regulations when using such services. By following these steps, you can successfully open a Cash App account and start enjoying its features and benefits.